Welcome to day number 49 of the 5 Luo words a day. In today's video, we shall talk about Anang'a, Anawa, Andar, and Andhagariya. So those are the 5 words we're talking about today. The first one is Anang'a or Anwang'a. Some people say Anwang'a or Anang'a. Now, that is a type of grass. It's actually called Citaria verticillata. So that is a type of grass called Anwang'a or Anang'a. In a sentence, you can say, Lum mar Anang'a ok ber kod miyo dhok. Lum mar Anang'a ok ber kod miyo dhok. Bristly grass is not good for good grass for meal for cattle. So you cannot give it to cattle. That is an example. I don't know if it's true. Number 2 is Anawa. Anawa. Anawa is slowly. Timo Anawa. Act slowly but steadily. Timo Anawa. Slowly but steadily. The third word is Andar. Andar. So Andar means one by one. Opidho yiende gi andar. I'm planting these trees one by one. Apidho yiende gi andar. I'm planting these trees one by one. The fourth word is Andar. And andar this time it's a noun. The other one was an adjective, but this, an adverb, sorry. But this one is a noun, and this means remnants or scraps with no little worth. So ne wayudo mana andar mag kuon. So if you asked whether you found a meal and you didn't eat or you ate very bad food, you can say ne wayudo mana andar mag kuon. We only found some scraps of cornmeal or ugali. Then the last word of the day is Andhagariya. Andhagariya or Anhagariya. Some people say Anhagariya, but from my side we say Andhagariya. These are blind worms or Anguis fragilis. Andhagariya. Andhagariya ongega wange. Blind worm does not have eyes. Of course, that's an example because we know that blind worms are called blind because of the tiny eyes that they have on their forehead. Great. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please give it a thumbs up, and we will really appreciate when you share this video with your friends so that they also learn the Luo language. So with those few remarks, I will see you tomorrow, and please keep learning. Bye-bye.